Hi everyone! Welcome to QazLa Crochet. These are some of my creations. You can watch tutorials and make them by yourself. Today's video is for absolute beginners. I'm showing you how beginners can make mini bag easily. Let's make easiest mini granny square bag for beginners. Make a slip knot, then chain 4. Slip stitch into first chain to form a ring. Make chain 3 that counts as 1 double crochet. Then 2 more double crochet to make a cluster of 3 double crochet. Then make chain 2 and then 3 double crochet. Repeat this in total 4 times. We should have 4 clusters and 2 chain spaces at the end of this row. Make chain 2 and slip stitch to join. Fasten off and join color B. Slip knot and join with slip stitch through this slip knot. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Start from any 2 chain space and make chain 3 that counts as 1 DC. Make 2 more double crochet, then chain 3, then 3 double crochet in same space. We have to make 4 corners like this. Make 3 DC, chain 3, then 3 DC in each corner, and 2 chains in between the corners. Repeat this till the end of row 2. 3 DC, chain 3, and 3 DC for the corner, and chain 2 for the side space. Chain 2 and slip stitch to join in top of chain 3. Fasten off and join color B to start row 3. Slip knot, then join from any corner and make chain 3. This counts as 1 DC. Make 2 more DC, then 3 chains and 3 DC as we did in previous round. 3 DC, chain 3, and 3 DC for the corners, and 3 double crochet cluster in side space. Then chain 2 and make 3 DC, chain 3, and 3 DC in the corner. Repeat this till the end of row 3. Chain 2 in between. Chain 2 and join with slip stitch in top of chain 3 and fasten off join color B. Slip knot, then slip stitch through this and join, then make chain 3 that counts as 1 DC. Row 4, make chain 3, then 2 more DC, chain 3, then 3 DC as we did before. After each corner, make chain 2. Then, inside space, That's previous rounds to chain space. Make 3 DC in each space. Now this is the pattern. Repeat till the end. You can make this granny square as big as you want. You can make a pillowcase or book cover or anything else. Just repeat this till the desired lengths and widths. I'm making this bag for 2-year baby girl. That's why I will make only 5 rows to make a mini bag. You have to repeat this row, and you can make more rows to make it bigger. What you have to do is make 3 DC, chain 3 DC for each corner and 2 chains in between, then 3 DC in side spaces. I will make 5 rows in total. This is my last row. Every time you have to start from any corner and make chain 3. That counts as 1 DC, okay? Make final row 5, as we did in previous round. Chain 3 to start, then 2 more DC, then chain 3, then 3 DC in each corner. Then chain 2, and 3 DC in side spaces. Repeat this till the end of row 5. Chain 2 and slip stitch to join in top of chain 3. Fasten off and hide the tails. Then sew these pieces as I'm showing you. Then add lining like so. Sew this way. To make back strap, join yarn from one side with slip knot, then chain of desired lengths. And join with slip stitch to the other side. Fasten off and hide the tail. To make button loop, join yarn here and make chain that fits to your button size. Attach with slip stitch and fasten off. Sew button. And your mini bag is ready. You can make and gift to your little girls on Independence Day. Little girl will be very happy to have this mini bag. There are so many beautiful and easiest crochet gift ideas I have shared on my channel QazLa Crochet. Watch those videos and make them by yourself. Or you can customize your order through DM me on Instagram and TikTok QazLa Crochet.